Hello all traders, welcome to SussanFX1 channel. In this video, I just wanted to show you my setup. I base my decisions for entry by this setup. I have working on this setup for about a week and I have developed it to here. Many of you maybe ask why it's look like this, and many maybe say, oh, there is many indicators in this chart and we don't like indicators. That's your opinion, but these indicators are the best indicators that I have researched and found to my best interest. I can show you that right now I am in just 3 trades based on my money management. I could get in for the higher entries. Right now I have just chosen GP CAD, which is right here. And I'm standing 4 hours. I'm in London station. Next trade I chose, it was GPNSD. It's right here. It's a buy, and I'm standing also in a 4-hour chart. And my last that I have chosen, my last entry was Euro NSD. It's right here. Okay. Let me tell you about the indicators here and why these indicators are here. I don't want you to ask me about giving you these indicators right now. You can see what's going on. Go on the net and find them for yourself and put it on your chart. Let me tell you in the bottom what I have here. I have one ATR indicator here, which is not very fancy, in the bottom here. I'm not interested in this chart here, line graph here. I'm just interested in this number here, which stands for 51 pip. What does this mean? ATR is standing on 14, last 14 period of 4 hours. It's telling me that price average for 14 4-hour bars has moved average for 51 pips. Okay, and I can use this number 51 pip to get my profit. For example, this bar here has moved about 64 pips, and there is much more to it, but there are some little bars here. My entry was here, and my take profit is set about 50 pips here. Okay, and this is ATR, and ATR is very important to have. If you stand in the daily, if you look at the ATR number standing for 125, it means average move for this pair Euro NSD is 125 pips average for the last 14 bars. It means you don't have to put your take profit more than 125. That's what it means. Okay, you can use this indicator to your benefits. Very useful. Okay, and let me tell you about the indicator number 2 here. This indicator, the name is Vodator Explosion. It's all about the volume in the market. Volume indicator you must have in your chart. Why do we have to have it? I will tell you now. We have this volume indicator here in this position. I'm interested to look at this column here, which is green. It tells me that the buyers are in the market right now. If this column was red, like for example in this area, which all the action is into the sell side, it tells me that the sellers are in the market, right? Like right here, for example, the columns tell me that the buyers are in the market in this area. This is the information I want to have. I don't want to go to the wrong way. That's why I use this volume indicator to my benefit, okay? These informations that I am giving you, it's very important if you want to shift your trading skills to the next level, all right? So just think about it to what I'm saying to you. So every indicator here has a reason, okay? And I have put them here because they help me. So this was the volume indicator to tell me who is in charge, are buyers or sellers, all right? Let's move to this indicator, which name is Renko marker. This indicator is very nice, tells me about the confirmation for entry, all right? Whenever there comes these arrows to the chart here, suggests that I have to sell here, I have to buy here. Right now, This indicator tells me that I have to be aware to sell, all right? But there is no sign and confirmation for sell. That's why I skip this one now, all right? This indicator here is the MACD with the standard numbers, all right? Whenever we have the MACD under the zero line like here, we are in the downtrend. Whenever we have the cross, it's the shift of the trend, all right? Right now, if we look at the chart, okay, right here, you can see that there was a cross in this area, okay, and price is starting to come down in this area, but it shifted up again to the upside, all right? So there is a double conflict which is confirming both this indicator that the trend is going up and our volume indicator is a winner, all right? Right in this area, for our strength meter, the GBP British pound today is strong, as Theresa May has stopped the Brexit action, and they are thinking about it. That's why everything go to the positive side for the GBP, which was very unsecure, but right now GBP is getting more action on it, all right? So there's some I don't want to think about the political things, why these things moves, but right now British pound is strong right now, as Swiss is. And let's have a more look to this indicator right here. Let me show you these two MA lines here, which we have a cross, for example, here for the upside. There is no cross right now, but the price is pushing up, all right? Like here, we have a cross here to the downside, confirms with this cross, confirms already here for this sell, and right in this area, we have the seller's confirmation actually here, okay? These dots just appears on the chart when this indicator feels that the trend wants to change direction, okay? Sometimes maybe this price goes higher up and then fall back, but I don't just take decision on these dots here. Just telling me that this dot is also confirming the uptrend here right now, right? And lastly, we have this indicator on the top too here, which tells me the sentiment of the market. This part is very important. From 1 minute to 1 hour, they are green, and they are also suggesting that the buyers are strongly in the market. So this is my setup right now, and I'm not trading Euro USD or GP USD anymore because if there was action on it, so there is, but it's not my favorite pairs to trade. I have chosen these pairs right here. I do not trade them all. I watch them. For example, AUD CAD right now, for example, here there are buyers in the market, and but it's a bit a weak move to the upside. If I want to trade, so I can take decision on that right here. For example, AUD CHF, we have a downtrend, not very confirmable. It's here, it's close to the upside, but I do not sell here. Do not buy or do not sell emotionally. Never buy, never sell emotionally. For example, if you see a move like this in 4 hours and you think yourself, okay, you know, I think it will go up, so I will buy now. Never do that. It's the wrong mindset, okay? And lastly, let me tell you about this setup, how this setup tells me not to go to the trade. This area, for example, here, as my two MA lines go through the price, I do not trade in this area. And you can see the confirmation of confusion here, and the very close move of the MACD lines together, and the volume is also almost dead here, as it's showing the buyers are in the market, and the buyers were in the market, but I do not trade here, all right? Your setup should be powerful. Your setup should give you the best possible decision for entry. Your setup should help you to get in the trade when it is time for it. I am in these 3 trades here, and I'm confident enough that it will be a winner maybe about 2 or 3 hours. But right now, it's just in the right position, and I'm not afraid that this trade goes to the drawdown, because I know that it will push up, okay? That's why you have to be confident with your indicators, with your setup for entry. I have a video about the exit strategy. You can also see that video too. That, for example, I can show you. Let me switch back to, for example, here GPCAD, and I can bring my, this is my, for example, exit setup, and I will exit this trade if this candle gets red. I can switch it to the 1 hour and have a look at it in 1 hour, but I have put my take profit at this area. I had many requests from all of you subscribers and the followers to my channel. I'm very thankful to have you here in my channel. Show me the love and passion to Forex as I have. And you all asked me to show you my entry setup as I have shown you what it is right now. And I hope you like this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe please. Have a nice day. Bye.